with her. That's a fashion. How do you know? That's what she wanna be. She got my head and my daddy. She can get all of my money. That's because she's sweet to that mango. Mother said she tastes like honey. You don't want to see against the front. Either one of me. Listen to me. She asked me if I will pay a light and water, then I say. She say I'm afraid to the later and God will speak to realize it. She asked if I was sent by a boat, he won't present license.
How's the Bahamas?
She was my first thing, drink my thing, she was my chicken soup. She wanna run new bands, I can't do 50s in the back. Can't take a long big eagle, she was in my mind.
The Big B. Oh, it's a Parrot. Sydney. It's a Parrot.
What's up, bro?
What's up?
With the bird boy named Rio, bro. I've been watching you in Jamaica, bro. Good shit, bro.
Hello, Parrot. Hello, Parrot.
Rio, bro. Rio.
What's good, Rio? My name IShowSpeed. Yo, talk, bro. Come on, bro.
They put him on your shoulder, bro. Say speed, Rio. Say speed. IShowSpeed.
Say IShowSpeed. Rio, say IShowSpeed. Rio, say IShowSpeed. Bro, why is he not saying it? Rio, say IShowSpeed. Is he? Rio, say Bro, why he not talking? What the hell is he doing? You want a kiss? Oh. Give me a kiss. Oh.
All right, Rio is good.
Rio! You okay, Rio? Rio was trying to get too crazy. Rio, yeah, you gotta calm down, baby. He said Rio was trying to get too crazy.
All right. Come out.
Rio!
Stand back. That's Leroy.
Leroy. Oh, shit. Okay, Leroy.
How you doing, man?
What's good?